In this video, we are discussing about the linear homogeneous partial differential equations of nth order with the constant coefficients, its different solution types. We have already discussed several types. Now, in this video, we are discussing about how to calculate the particular integral of this type of equations when they related with the case 4 condition. See here, the linear homogeneous PD of nth order with constant coefficients is like this. It's an equation of the type a0 dou raised to n z by dou x raised to n plus a1 dou raised to n z by dou x raised to n minus 1 dou y plus etc. plus an dou raised to n z by dou y equal to f of xy. This equation has got the general solution of this equation is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function we getting whenever the right side is equal to 0. Particular integral we getting whenever the right side is equal to some kind of equations. In such cases, if you have some kind of equations in the right side, then its solution is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. And this f of xy can be taken in different forms. Sometimes it is the exponential form, sometimes it is the sine or cos x form, sometimes it is x raised to m by raised to n form, sometimes it is in the form of some sort of functions. We are already discussed case 1, case 2 and case 3, so we move on to the case 4. See here, we already discussed all this in details. See here, case 1 f of xy is equal to a raised to x plus by, and case 2 is f of xy is equal to sine or cos, and case 3 equal to x raised to m by raised to n, and case 4 this cases we are discussing in this video is equal to some kind of functions f of xy. In that case, 1 by f of d dash is resolve into partial fractions, and then take this function as a d alone and write a particular integral is equal to 1 by d minus md dash f of xy, integrating and replacing c by f of x c minus x dx and replacing c by y plus mx. We discuss this detail using a problem. See here, we take these problems for explanation. See here, solve d squared minus d dash minus 2d dash whole squared of z equal to y minus 1 into e raised to x. This belongs to case 4 because here right side you can see that some kind of functions. It is exponential function മാത്രമല്ല ഇവിടെ ഉള്ളത്, sine or cos അല്ല, and x raised to m y raised to n അല്ല. Here right side is some kind of functions y minus 1 into e raised to x. So this belongs to case 4. Now you have to solve its complementary function. You have to calculate this complementary function. For that, taking right side is equal to 0, we get the auxiliary equation by putting d equal to m and d dash is equal to 1, m squared minus m minus 2 equal to 0 and m equal to 2 minus 1, and the corresponding complementary function you will get. We already discussed all this in detail, how to calculate the complementary function in the previous videos. Now the particular integral is equal to, take this 1 by d squared minus d dash minus 2d dash whole squared is into y minus 1 into e raised to x. Change this into products, you will get 1 by d plus d dash into d minus 2d dash y minus 1 into e raised to x. Now put y equal to c minus mx, and taking the first value of m, that is 2, we get c minus 2x. So 1 by d plus d dash into integral of this we are avoiding by using this, we get, because it is d equal to 2, that's why y minus 1 into e raised to x by substituting y equal to c minus 2x. So we get this, and integrating this quantity you will get 1 by d plus d dash into like this c e raised to x minus 2x e raised to x plus e raised to x. And what is c? C is equal to y is equal to c minus 2x. So what is c? C is equal to y plus 2x. So substitute here you will get like this, and again simplifying you will get 1 by d plus d dash into y e raised to x plus e raised to x. Now we can take the other y equal to c minus mx, where m equal to minus 1, and solving using d alone. So that is integral dx. D is for x and d dash is for y. So integral y e raised to x plus e raised to x into dx, and instead of y you put c plus x, and integrating you will get like this, and again change c into, what is c? C is equal to y minus x. So substituting here c equal to y minus x, and simplifying you will get y e raised to x. This is a complementary function and this is particular integral. So we got the answer. And similarly we can do such problems. This problem you try solve this question sin x, and this belongs to case 4. D squared plus d dash minus 6 d dash whole squared of z equal to y cos x. In this case also you put d equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. First you calculate the complementary function by putting d equal to m and d dash is equal to 1. Here m is 2 minus 3, we got the complementary function. Now calculate the particular integral 1 by d plus 3 d dash into d minus 2 d dash. See here, using this we are writing this quantity, this term y cos x. So by considering y d plus d 1 by d plus 3 dash integral y cos x, so we using this quantity. So what is y equal to c minus mx, so m equal to 2, and substituting here you can see that, and integrating will get y sin x minus 2 cos x, and again we'll put y equal to c minus mx because this quantity we are using. So m is equal to what it is, m is equal to minus 3. So again integrating of dx, okay, of dx. So y equal to, substituting y equal to c plus 3x sin x minus 2 cos x, integrating you will get like this, and after write you already have complementary function plus particular integral, you will get the answer. This is the case 4.